Hello, I am here for advice about my immigration options. Just graduated, and I have not gotten a postgraduate work permit. Express entry is not open. I've heard that claiming refugee status might be a faster option.
Thanks for attending the Zoom meeting. Refugee status is a serious path. Claiming refugee status in Canada might seem like a quick way to secure permanent residence in Canada. But there are critical aspects you should consider before making this decision. Refugee status is for individuals who are fleeing persecution, war, or violence, and cannot safely return to their home country. It's designed for those in immediate danger or who are in urgent need of safety, not an alternate for general immigration needs.
Oh, I didn't know it was that specific. I thought it was just another way to get into Canada.
That's a common misconception. Let me show you what it really means. Some people think making a false refugee claim is a shortcut to gaining permanent residence in Canada, but it comes with serious risks. If your claim is found to be false, you could face a long-term ban from entering Canada.
A ban? I didn't realize it could be that severe.
Yes, and that's not the only consequence. If you file a false claim, you could face a lengthy legal battle. The expenses can add up quickly, leaving you financially strained.
That sounds overwhelming. I hadn't thought about the costs.
It can be. Many people don't think of the financial burden beforehand. Depending on your case specifics, there may be a risk of detention while your case is reviewed. If your claim or appeal is rejected, you could be deported and banned from returning to Canada for several years. Not only will it make your future immigration applications to Canada challenging, Canada has an intelligence alliance with other countries. An adverse immigration history can ruin your chances to immigrate to other countries as well. A person's refugee status can also be taken away even after granting it, if it is decided that a person does not need refugee protection any longer, or they got protected person status by misrepresentation. Cessation and vacation orders can affect the whole family.
Deported? And banned? No one ever told me about it.
That's why it's crucial to choose a pathway that's genuine and aligned with your goals. The emotional toll can also be severe. Living with uncertainty, fear, and the stigma of being labeled dishonest can harm your mental health and relationships.
I never thought about how it might affect me personally.
That's why it's important to weigh all the consequences carefully. Making a false claim isn't just a risk to you. It undermines the system meant to protect those in real need.
I understand now. It's not worth compromising my integrity.
Exactly. Let's focus on understanding legitimate pathways. Canada offers work permits, study permits, PNPs, and express entry programs, which might better align with your long-term goals.
Those sound like better options. What if I am not eligible to extend my current status?
If your legal status is expiring and you are not eligible for or refused an extension, I suggest you return to your country before your legal status expires. There, you can advance your skills to increase your points. Remember, immigration is an ever-changing field, but genuine applications have a higher chance of success.
I'm glad I asked for help. This has been really helpful. I understand the risks now. I'll follow the right pathway to achieve my goals.
That's the right decision. Best of luck. While I understand that as a student, you have invested your time, money, and energy in coming to Canada. However, gaining temporary or permanent residency in Canada should always be done truthfully and lawfully. Claiming refugee status is a serious decision. Make informed choices. Your and your family's future depends on it.